Hello. Today I'm going to show you how I make my delicious honey lime salad dressing. This goes on just about any kind of salad you can think of, and I can tell you I have two versions of this. The regular one, of course, is made with honey, but I also have a sugar-free version, and that's the version I'm going to make today. I will provide links in my description to both versions in case you want to see them in writing, but I can tell you right now I love both. And I think you will too. So let's get started. Of course, we need some lime juice. I'm going to fresh squeeze it from some limes. Normally we use honey, but this is a honey-flavored syrup that is a sugar-free substitute. I also use some grapeseed oil, some apple cider vinegar, some Dijon mustard, and a sugar substitute. Today I'm using a monk fruit sweetener as my substitute. Now, of course, we have to juice that lime. You notice I had two. Typically, one lime is enough, but let's face it, sometimes they're a little more dry than others. So I always like to have an extra on hand just in case I need more. I need exactly 2 tablespoons of the juice. You can see I have plenty. And so I'll pour this back in here to get everything else ready. Now, we'll start with the honey substitute, and you can see right away I ran into a problem. There wasn't nearly enough in that jar. Darn it. But the good news is I had another jar of a different type in my pantry. So this one is actually a monk fruit based honey substitute, and all I'm going to do is squeeze this one in to my measuring cup and get enough of the honey to make my salad dressing. Into my blender jar that goes, and we can proceed on. Now, just a note about these two. I do like them both. The allulose-based syrup is thinner. The Chalk Zero, which is the monk fruit base, is a thicker type of a honey, so that might influence what kind you like to buy. So now we'll add the Dijon mustard, as well as the sugar substitute. Remember, I'm using monk fruit today. I also need a couple tablespoons of apple cider vinegar and a couple tablespoons of the grapeseed oil. Now I'm going to add my lime juice. You can see there's a little bit more in the juicer. I just kind of reserve that in case I want to adjust the taste, the flavor, once I've done a little taste test after it's blended. And basically just start up my little blender, and I like to blend my salad dressings for 30 to 60 seconds, so about a minute, just to get them nice and smooth and really, really well mixed. This is always a perfect time to do a quick taste test while you're taking out the blade. Again, I could add a little more of any of the ingredients I want, but I'm happy with the flavor. So I'm just going to put this in one of my little jars, and then it's ready to store in the fridge. I have these plastic caps that fit these jars that I really, really like. And as you can see, it's smooth and delicious. It's a tangy dressing. I can tell you that the Dijon taste comes through pretty strongly. So if that's not your thing, feel free to make your own adjustments to how you want it to taste. I really love this on a salad that's more like a main meal salad, like if I grill a chicken breast and add it to my salad. Today I'm just going to try it on some greens because it's yummy and delicious. And sure enough, it's ready to go. I really hope you try this. It's easy and delicious, and if you try it, I know you'll love it. Enjoy.